Hey guys, we're Jamie and Ashley Mills with the Handmade Home, and we're here today to talk a little bit about our mailbox.
Yeah, it's seen some better days, but it's going to be a good day in the neighborhood today as we replace this with a brand new custom iron mailbox, and we cannot wait to get started and replace that bad boy.
Here we go. So as you can see, we ordered a beautiful new mailbox from Bold MFG and Supply, and we are so excited to give it a great coat of paint, and then we're going to seal it so it can go in our yard.
Yeah, now that I've kicked the old mailbox over, it's time to dig a new hole, and so I'm going to be working on that while Ashley paints this to a beautiful new color.
We can't wait to show you guys.